Valentine's, Athena Valentine's. Athena Valentine's kasi yung aking channel, pangalan. Thea, ikaw mag-introduce ka.
What so?
What so?
What so? So what?
So what?
So what? We're so what?
Parpuk. Ay, nako! Okay, maglalaro tayo ngayon ng... Ang tawag na ito?
Site.
Okay.
Sida?
Okay, alika na! Punta na tayo dito, uy! Dito, pasok!
Saan?
Pasok! Ang bulan! Ay, may bacon. Okay. Okay na to. Okay na to. Walang... Nobody goes overboard. Tara na, mga te. Tayo. OA.
Sino OA?
Feeling hindi OA ah.
Sobrang OA.
So, introduce ulit natin. Si Chloe ay Chloe. Si Thea, si Thea. Ano? So, kasama ko na si Thea, si Chloe. Si Itzy, nandito sa kabila.
Powerful.
Ano power boat? I'm gonna get money. Money. Si Jack. Jack and Jill. Te, tama ka na sumayaw, be. Ay, may medkit. There's a medkit. Heal. 25 Robux. Sama ah. Let's get a room. Let's get a room.
Yes.
I am not closed. Sorado. Ay, you can get money from plants. Shake the plants. You can get money. You can get money from plants. Money tree.
Money 3.
Money plants.
Money 2.
No. Where's Thea? Oh, there she
I'll
is.
go on the slide.
Let's go. Baba muna.
Isang slide muna.
Eh, bababa muna ako.
Ang bilis naman ng timer na yan.
Walang mag-go overboard ah. Pag nag-overboard man kayo. Hindi, ano tayo? Iba-iba rooms tayo. Dalawa-dalawa tayo. Dalawa-dalawa tayo. Ay, mananalo ako sa pool! Ayun na kaya.
Magsaslide lang.
Welcome back. Did you have fun exploring? No. That is great. Now, it's time to play a game. Pay attention to the rules. I'm going to ask for a random item that is hidden somewhere around the cruise. Ano to? Bring me? Bring me! If you find it, bring... Oh, sabi na, bring me na nga eh. Ako ba una? Oh, 15, 31 na nga pera ko eh. Madadagdagan pa yan. I'm bad at math.
Are you ready? Bring me.
Thea!
Thea.
A fork!
Fork.
Kitchen!
Agad!
Hindi! Saan yung tinidor? Di ba kayo nakuha? Ang ito. Ano ba yan? Saan kasi yung tinidor?
Nakay bacon!
We?
Ah! Bacon ako muna! Power poke!
Ano ba yan?
Ano ba yan?
Nahanap. Man!
Lalala yan!
Kasi nga hindi natago yung mga tinidor.
Sa gilid.
Ah.
Ba yan? Uy, Johnson.
Leonard. Bring me. A toilet, babe. Sa CR!
Wag naman talingan namin.
Siyempre, sa CR pa.
I have a
Baliktad! Dito yung CR!
Toilet, babe.
Isa lang!
Ano ang toilet, babe, na ginawa?
Be, hindi mo tayo kailangan lahat.
Wala kayo dito. Oo na.
Wow!
Powerful.
Oh man, Chloe found it first. Chloe found it fair and square. You guys are great. Great finding. Now for the last item, bring me a dead body.
Bring me tayo.
Bring me a golden ticket. Saan yun? Yan, third floor. Third floor. Ito natin third floor eh. Buffet. Ano yung third floor? Hindi ko gets. Ah, feeling ko yung golden ticket nandun sa ano, sa pinakataas. Nandito sa baba. Arcade. Nag-arcade. Bilis! Tayo!
Go, tayo, go.
I found it. I found the golden ticket! I found it! Third floor daw to. First floor. Wow, mani! Agad! Doon sa pinakababa yung ticket. Yun, sa saging ticket.
Nalinunod.
Yay! Yay! Mizuki got it.
Daming mani, nakuha ko sa slide.
Nag-slip. Nag-overboard na naman si Teya.
Overboard. May mani sa slide.
Alam ko. Let's change the game. Teya, balik! Wag na, mamaya na yung pera. Stop being greedy. This time we're playing dodgeball. Oh, I hate that game.
Nag-overboard.
There will be two teams. Huh? The blue team on the left side. Blue tayo! Blue ako. Si Teya, hindi ba? Be, lahat tayo nandito sa blue.
Bacon sa red.
Ah! Chloe!
Uganya.
Chloe! Ano na kami natin, Chloe?
Tinanong yung si Bacon. Bacon sa akin.
How do I throw? Oh, I don't get it. Ah! I got eliminated. I will help. Be, eliminated na nga ako, be. I'm eliminated. Dati, shoot the guy, help me. You try to shoot me. Come on, come on. Buti ka naman. Kaya naman ako, be. Buti ka naman ako. Ah! Yung joystick niyo kasi. Joystick niyo yun. Joystick. Buti ka naman.
I win the yard.
The baker is trying to wait for me. Grabe naman si Teya! Kinakain si Teya! Sorry, Teya! Yay! Nalaman si Teya, pero eliminate kami dalawa ni Yodja. Dodge! Time's up! Blue team wins yan. Woohoo! Blue team is the winner! Grabe. Uy, wag. Huwag kayo mag-overboard. Kayo namatay. Gabi na. Lika na, pasok na! Ala, dyan, lika na! Tulog na. Ay, kakain muna. Kakain? Kakain. Tita. Teya! Ang bagal. How do I take a slice of pista? Ah, nagtampo na yung bacon. I took a slice of a pizza.
Lagot ka.
Halika na. Let's go. Let's go.
Nag-bacon sa inyo.
Halika na. Would you help me find the key? Where's the key card? I think I lost. Ew! Kadiri namang. Come on, let's go. Be, baliktad, be! Tisi, aro. Oh! Give it back. Ano? Yung key card? Di ko nga alam. Ah! Nabay, ba't ganito yung mga ano? Mga bintana. Ay, bintana. Yung mga... Ay, I found one. I found the key card. Okay, let's go, let's go. Kadiri. Come on, let's go. Oh, I can move the captain's painting. I think. I could, sir.
The girl's not even moving.
Eh, wala kang kuryente. Can you do me one more favor? Ano? I can't go in there. Would you like... Are you trying to make a... Some... Great, thank you. I did not... I did not agree to do this. Oh. Oh. Oh, may electric ka pa. Where's the lasers? Where's the ano generator? I don't see it. What's the big stuff over there? I'm really focusing that much. Okay. Bad. Up. Go. Oh my goodness. Oh my god. Go. Do you even know where you're going? This is a dead end. We're taking this way. Wrap it up. I do not like that sound. I do not like that sound. Okay, wait lang. Go. And I did it. Wait. Huh? I think we can go back now. Come on. There's no more electric. Right here. Let me check it out. Okay, go check it out. Ay, nako! Puro teleport! Oh, nawala. Yan, sarado natin yung mga pinto. Bulag ata si Jack eh. Seeing things daw. Seeing things daw tayo. I will inform the captain about what happened. Okay. Ah! Get back to bed. Sige. Tayo na ang dalawa yung magkasamang bed. Kasi nakakasama dyan eh. Dito na lang. Ouch. Dito na lang ako. Yeah. Yan, tulog. There's a mouse! Oh.
Ocean lang.
Huh?
Bukas, Sarah.
Huh? Ano yan? Oh.
This one.
I was about to pick that one, so I'm just gonna do red. Hey! Wait, my marking stays. Kinda looks very weird.
Mine.
Let's go. Where's the dinner? Go to the arcade and look for Jack. Mataglulo ko yung arcade. Hey, look! I love this game. 10 tickets. What is the tickets? How do you get tickets? You get tickets from these? Oh, and you get tickets from it! When you shake the machines. When you shake the machines, these like these. In these, yung mga ganito, you can get tickets from them. Give me more tickets. Give me more tickets. And you can shake the paintings too. Shake the paintings. I think there's... Oh, I got 1. 2. Ay, namatay. Namatay na yung mga machine. Lana. Yo, mutot na naman. Kadire! Let me out! Ha! Sino yan? Si Captain Prescott? I said, green beard. Be, green ba yan? I said, give it, ano? What would I give back? Oh! Stay. Get there! Run! Keep running! I went on top. You can get me. You can get me. Oh, you can. I'm running, I'm running, I'm running. I'm running. Oh, yeah! Ba't ka ba yung me? Sayang yung dress ko! Okay, grabe. Keep jumping over the machines! Jump over the machines! Join me. They got an army on me. Oh, you can get me. Oh! Oh! Captain Prescott. This is delicious. I don't have the necklace. I'm sinking the ship. No! Be, magbe-vacation na nga lang ako. Sisink ko pa yung ship. Oh, nagising ako. Ano, bumaba. Ewan ko, Chloe. Bumaba ka na. One more tickets. 7, 8. Check the machines. Keep clicking on them. No. Pwede ba lumabas? Ano yung dining room? Wait! You can actually click on the, click on the stuff. The plants. You can click on the plants too. Doors are open. Let's go.
Where are you?
Behind you. Where's dinner? Red. We're here. What? First time ko na dito. Ah, dito yan. Dire-diretso lang pala. Click on the plants. Kamukha niya si Greenbeard. Click on the chicken. Siya yan. Eh, ba't niya hinihingi yung golden necklace kahit sa kanya naman yan?
Bakit sa kanya?
Oh, Jack won't be able to. Oh, he's feeling sick. Oh, man. Favorite ko pa naman si Jack. Jack and Jill went up the hill.
Ow!
I'm not eating this. What happened? I don't know. Where did you get hurt?
The chicken! I was just clicking the plant and the chicken popped.
Wait, did you get damaged? Ah! Let me out! That chicken's poisonous! Ah! Hindi yan Hindi yan roasted! Poisonous chicken! Let me out. Let me out. Wait a second.
Why? Why clone?
What's that on the captain's neck? It's a necklace.
Catch it.
I'm sorry. I can't let you take it. Be, dumili. Be, hindi pa ako lobat, be. Kala ko nalobat ako. Ah, nabuhay tayo. Eh, may bowl. There's a bowl. You can shake the bowl. Jack! May pera ba dito sa kama? Hey, you're finally awake. Let me out. Jack! Be, ba't ka umupo sa CR, be? Talk with Jack. Jack, what are you doing here? Ewan ko. What is this place? The night of the tower that I found the golden necklace in the captain's cabin. When the captain saw me finding it, he went crazy. Last thing I remember is waking up in here. Kala ko nga sick siya. Sama ah. We saw a monster. Some kind of ghost pirate. He's looking for the golden necklace. The captain probably poisoned the chicken and brought us here. Lami, ba't kasi kinain yung chicken? Kaya nadadamage siya. Sabi ko sa iyo, poisonous chicken yun eh.
No. No, pizza.
Wala daw chicken. But how do we... Be, tama ka na dyan, Be!
Nagalaw din sa'yo.
I need so much you whip. I might have idea.
Sarang mo ka mo.
I found a random stick in my cell, but I can't reach the key. Ah, dito yung key, oh. Luckily, the key is closer to your cell. I'm gonna take the stick. Give me the stick. Give me the stick. Got the stick.
Lock.
Wait, I'll try to... I got it! I just jumped. Great, you got the key. Ah. Open the door. How? Oh. Police. How do I... Now find the blue key to open my door. It should be around the room. I'm shaking all the cells. There's a vent right here. You can go through the vent. Wait, there's something. There's money up here. And a painting. A creepy painting. Look up. Jump up. Jump up. Here. Right here. Right here. Right here. Wait. Look behind you. Money. Only 1 peso. Okay, let's go. Look, looky. And a key card.
What is it?
Huh? It's a vent. I found the blue key. Yeah, we did it too. Come on, let's go. Jack, let's get out of here.
How did he get out?
No, I got the blue key. Don't worry. Jack.
Where's he?
Andyan yung captain. Hula ko. Sabi na eh. It's the ghost! Is that the monster? Yes. Parang gulat na gulat ah. Different. Foolish. Naka-space kasi sa screen ko. I'm Greenbeard, Captain of the Dark Pearl. Greenbeard? Ba't kasi ang ganda ng pangalan? Kasi paano ang pangalan Greenbeard? Ano naman? You greed. Your greed is going to be your death. Tingnan mo, jacket may space, yung YO, naka-space sa UR. Ble, ble, ble. I don't say ble, ble, ble. Oh, sumabog. Oh, we have to get out of here. Try to
Oh,
see.
marunong kami gumahay.
The door gets locked when the pipe breaks. We need to activate 4 buttons to open the door before we drown. I know how to swim, you know. Watch out, Captain Greenbeard's minions. I hate these guys. Oh, I found the button. Wrong one. Ah! Captain Greenbeard's minions are trying to kill me. Ah, thought they were lice.
Lice?
Yes, I thought they were lice. Bilis! Open door! Right here, come on. Run to the exit. Oh, I'm alive. Ooh, how did you teleport here? Whoa. What is this room? Ano ba yan? How does he not have a face? Ito. Lifeboats. What does the lifeboats do? What's this? Where is the CCTV? Ay, ano ba?
Nasa kanya yung...
Dala. You have to go up there and bring the red key. Come on! Aba, come on! I will stay down here and control the flooding. Be, paano mo i-control ka? Si ano? Tawag na. Tawag na. Oh, we're here. Come on, go, 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 go! We're gonna flood! Taas, sa taas! Guys, taas.
Pinakataas?
Sa captain's ano? I can't get... It's locked.
It's locked?
I have it. I have a green key card. What do I do with this? I tried to open that, but I can't open it.
Where's your timer?
I found. Oh, nga, no. I found the captain. Captain! There's a crowbar. Got a crowbar. Get the key. Try to get the key. Get the key. I never wanted this happen. I'm trying to slap him.
Ano ba gagawin sa necklace na yan? Ang importante.
I dedicated my life to this ship and finding that treasure. We are taking the red key. Talking about the red key tuloy. Grab the red key, ah. Take I'm staying on this ship and my treasure. Wow.
Treasure.
Treasure, lulubog na nga tayong lahat.
Di na kapunta.
Leave the captain? Do we leave it? Do we leave him or not?
Yes.
Leave it. We're leaving him, bro.
Ah!
Get out of there. No, I think we're gonna take it. You take it. Still trying to open this.
Where are you?
Hey. He should not be here. Bye-bye. I opened it. Get out of here. Come on, let's go down. Downstairs. Did you take the red key? Wait, did you take it? You have to take it. Why am I supposed to be the one who has to take it?
Did you open that door?
I have no clue. We're gonna explode. I got the red key. Let's go. Hurry up. The water's rising. We're gonna drown. Ah. Ah. I'm coming downstairs. It's like picky. Where's the door? Over there. Step on me.
Hello, Kat.
Girl? Oh my goodness. I opened it. I opened it. Go, Chloe, go! Ah!
Hindi si Mami na eh.
Natatapos na namin. Hurry up the one. Oh, minions. Oh, minions. You took the wrong decision. Get the crowbar. Chloe, get... Ayun! Got it?
Malapit na namin matapos. Ayun na!
Si Captain Prescott! You are so selfish.
We're not. We're not selfish.
I'm not selfish. The captain is selfish. You will meet your position. Ay, Poseidon?
Kasi,
Si ano?
nalunod sila.
Survive the ghost pirates. Kill him. Let's kill him. Ow. Snap. Ow! 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 They hurt. Help me. Help me. Skip slap, bro. Skip slap. Stop it, though. You want to say the same thing? Go on, one down. Ah, stop taking my toes! I have to kill you myself. I think we have to survive the ghost pirates. Ah! Green beard! Aha! You can't get me! Aha!
Dito ka, Greenbeard.
How is he not damaging me? He's not even damaging me!
Sa ulo. Ganda yun. Tapos mo.
Keep slapping him! Help me! Hindi naman ako na-damage eh! Walang damage yung ghost! Oh! Arg! Huh? If Poseidon can take your soul, he will take the captain's! Okay.
Okay lang yun.
Take the captains. Take the captain instead of us. Oh, we have to go. We have to go. We have to go now. There's no time to lose. Chloe, get on the. Come on.
Where?
Lifeboat right here. Lifeboat. Get on. Yeah.
Paano siya nag-teleport?
Jack, that isn't how you. Mm. 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 I'm trying to slap him. Mm. Let's get out of here. We're gonna go. We're going. Oh wait, what's happening? We're flying away. I'm floating away. I'm flying away. Oh. The captain met his demise. Bye, captain. The captain met his demise.